This feels familiar.
Is that the islet you mentioned, Qianshu Yushin? It's so pretty.
Yeah, the fixed wave emitter should be over there.
Wait, someone's over there. Looks like a Qianshu from what she's wearing. But why would there be a Qianshu? This...
Are you, secret?
My dear lady, can you kindly let us through? There's a broken machine that needs to be repaired. How about we set you up nearby?
Friggin' hell. Is she playing deaf? You Woolingers have less manners than we do.
Can this be... Huh. She looks quite familiar.
You. Yes, I'm talking to you. You stand apart. An entity who walks with them all. Yet... you see a tree. Is the tree truly a tree?